Hello everyone. So now we are going to look at the from three mathematics saving and investment. Initially, Mr. Lin and Mr. Yo had retired from their job and they each received 400,000 as gratuity from their company. They use different investment methods to invest. So gratuity means that after they have working for many years and now it's a time to retire, and then company will give them the amount of money after end of employment is gratuity. So the question asks us that who is the wise investor? So now we will look at each investor one by one, and then we can use the methods to identify which one is the wise investor. So first, Inche Ali bought a medium cost apartment in Telok Kurau worth 100 150,000 and receive a rental of 800 per month. The balance is kept in a fixed deposit account with an interest rate of 4% per annum. So now we are using the annum method to calculate. So now we go for here. So here it says that, okay, Inche Ali, okay, so rental, so after 1 year it received the money. So let's see that. So calculate the ROI first. So for rental, after 1 year, so it's 800 times 12, so we get 9,600. Okay. Then the second is the money in fixed deposit account because total you have 400,000, but certain money is going to put at the fixed deposit. How much? So you use 400,000 minus the money that already buy the house. So 500 is total of 150,000. Then we get how much we have. So we have 250,000. So we have this money is invested in the fixed deposit account. So because the fixed deposit account will give 4% per annum, it means that if I place this money in the fixed deposit account, I will receive 4% of this amount after 1 year. So it's passive income. So after 1 year, interest after 1 year, right, 250,000 times 4%, then you have 10,000. Okay, now it's the time for us to calculate the ROI. So ROI is number 1 plus number 2. So ROI for Inche Ali. So total amount that Inche Ali have. So returns, total returns. Total return is how much? Is this one plus this one. It's 10,000 by 9,600 ringgit. So the amount is RM 19,600. So the capital is 400,000, right? So ROI is use this amount of money, 19600 divided by 400,000 times 100%. So you get 4.9%. Okay. So now go for Mr. Lim. So Mr. Lim, the same Mr. Lim. So Mr. Lim, we have the invest all the 400,000 in Balta company shares at 2 ringgit per unit. So how to calculate is you use the, okay, so in this case you buy all the share. The first step you calculate number of share that Mr. Lim have buy. So you have 400,000 and then you buy the share 2 ringgit per unit. So how many share you have? It's very simple. number of share, use the 400,000, sorry, divide by 2, so 20,000 units you have. So it said that company declare 8% of their year. So how to calculate dividend per units? Very simple. You use the share price, 2 ringgit times 0.08. It means you receive 0.16 cent for each share price. So now I have total of 200,000 units. So for each unit I receive 0.16 cents. So total dividend I have now is still 200,000 times 0.16. So I receive 32,000. Okay. So total returns since the share is 32,000. Then ROI is 32,000 divided by 400,000 times 100. It's about 8%. Right, so 1 year after invest the 1,000, you will receive 32,000 and then ROI is 8%. So last one, Mr. Yo. So Mr. Yo is very simple. Mr. Yo, so he had deposited money 200,000 into saving account, and other 200,000 is to the fixed deposit account. So for saving account, that interest, saving account interest after 1 year, how much? So we calculate 200,000 times 0.01 1%, right? So we have 2,000. Then for deposit account, one year, then very simple, it's 200,000 times 4%. So receive amount money is 8,000. So total returns is 8,000 and ROI 8,000 divided by the capital 400,000. 200. So amount is okay. Total return is, sorry, is this one is 10,000. 10,000. So we receive about 2.5%. Case is 2.5%. So 2.5% is the total return that we have from the. So I can see that Encik Ali, which one is the Encik Ali had 4.9% and Mr. Lim had 8% and Mr. Yo had 2.5% for each RI. So by comparing these people, Mr. Lim is the wise investor because the RI is 8%, right? So Mr. Lim is the wise investor because he invests in the share and then he can get the highest RI from the investments. But the risk for this case is high because the share price is affected by the company performance. So the Mr. Lim take the risk, high risk, but it can get the 8% return from the company. And Encik Ali is the second one, Mr. Yo is the last one. So so it can depends on how you want to invest, and you can get the higher return. Thank you.